Hi guys, Tracy here with Kokokahn Essential Oils doing a quick selfie video on a maskne remedy. For those of you that aren't familiar with the term maskne, it means acne from all the face masks that we're wearing nowadays. So there's a great little treatment that you can do with an aloe gel base. And then we're going to use 3 essential oils. We're going to use Niaouli, Spearmint, and Lime. And I just give you guys a visual of that. So there's our spearmint, Niaouli, and lime, and then we're gonna do it in an aloe gel base. Okay, so let's get started here. Make sure you guys can all see. It's a little tricky doing a selfie and making products. But there's our 1 ounce aloe gel. We're gonna take our cap off. Try not to introduce any bacteria by touching the inside of, the cap or anything that might be on your hands, so you keep it nice and clean. And we're gonna start with 2 drops of spearmint. I don't know if you guys can, there you go. 2 drops of spearmint. Scoot this over, maybe you guys can see a little better. 2 drops of lime. All the citrus essential oils are really good for drying out acne. And then last but not least, we're gonna do 1 drop of Niaouli. It's also a great respiratory oil. And that's it. Then you just put your cap on, give it a shake. You can put it on at night before bed, after you wash your face. Put it on before you put your face mask on, around where the face mask might sit. Use it as much or as little as needed. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today on a maskne remedy, and I'll see you next time.